it's your girl Cassandra Olivia back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by a company called iShowHair. They are on Instagram and Facebook. I will attach all their information down below, and also YouTube. They sent me 3 bundles of 24-inch hair with a 20-inch closure, and it's like a deep wavy texture. So here I am after I made the unit. I'm just going in and cutting out the excess cap that's under the closure, and I'm just making sure that everything is laying the way I want it to. The reason that I did not record me doing the hot glue gun method is because it was my second time trying it, so I'm still trying to perfect it, and I didn't want to give you guys a crazy video on here, but it did come out pretty decent. So I already have my wig cap on, and my hair just braided in like 4 straight back braids, nothing too crazy. And I'm just gonna fit the wig on and make sure everything is sitting nice, and then I'm gonna go ahead and customize it. I did use the dome cap to create this wig. I just got it from my local Sally Beauty Supply. And here I am just taking out the hair clips that I put in to make sure that the hair wasn't all over the place when I was hot glue gunning it. So I'm just applying my closure now, and I'm going to go in with my scissors and just cut the excess lace off the closure and make sure everything is sitting right. And right here, I know you can see a little bit of the glue, but I did go in and make sure that all the tracks were covering, like the spots where the closure meets the bundles. So yeah, we're going to finesse in this video a little bit. Like I said, it was my second time doing the hot glue gun method, so do not judge your girl, but the wig still came out super bomb. And I just made sure to blend everything at the end. So yeah, now I'm just running my fingers through it. I do like the curl pattern of this. It's giving me like a Hollywood wave vintage feel. So I wanted to have a little bit of lift at the top of my hair, which is why you keep seeing me zhuzh it here. I was just messing around with it until it did what I wanted to do, and I opted not to do a part, so I just wanted it to fall naturally to my side. And here I'm just showing you guys the curl pattern up close. Some of the curls were a little tight at the bottom, so I just made sure to run my fingers through. And then I actually did take a big wide tooth comb just to make sure every curl was blended together nicely. But overall, this hair was super cute. I'm just showing you how long it is. You guys know I'm a short person, so all the hair that I get sent is always extra long on me for some reason. And I will also link everything down in the description box below. Right now, they are doing an 8% discount for anybody who uses my code. So I will also put that in the description box. It's ISCO8, but I will add it down below so that way you guys don't jack it up. You can just copy and paste. So this is the wide tooth comb I'm talking about. I'm just going through and breaking down everything, making sure all the curls are nice and blended. And I didn't want it to be super curly. I wanted to have like a soft wave effect, which is why I just went in with the wide tooth comb. And I decided to add this clip in the side of my hair just to give it like an extra elevation to the look. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm just going to finesse and play around with it and show you guys how I like to wear this unit. I can put like edge control in front of my hair, but because it's a closure unit, it ain't that serious, guys. So yeah, I just added my little glam clip, and I made sure to comb through the other side of my hair to make sure all the curls were nice and even. I am going to scrunch the top just to give it that height because I felt like combing it got rid of the height a little bit. And yeah, I was feeling this. This is definitely giving me vintage Hollywood. I'm going to show you guys how I was playing around with this hair and just showing you guys the curl pattern a little bit more. She is super cute, super long, super full. The bundles and the closures were full. I got minimal shedding. I did get a tiny bit of shedding only because I did cut the tracks to do the hot glue gun method. But overall, this hair was super good, really soft. I like the curl pattern. I feel like this is definitely something I could wear to work. It's just a little too long for me, but I'm going to rock her, and I'm gonna post her on the gram. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I will add all the information for iShowHair down below. Let me know your thoughts on this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.